There.
Be loading.
There. It's
Recording?
yeah. See? This is we're gonna crash. Like
Oh, we're gonna do a demolition job. The viewers might get sick. So, tape turned it off. Hold on. Now I gotta delete all this stuff because we gotta make a video. Are you recording?
yes.
Oh. Hey guys, I gotta make the video all over again.
This is Blake, and he has to redo the video.
My video, at least.
Yeah. We're gonna be best buddies on recording, aren't we?
Yeah. It's gonna be recording bros. Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. I'm with Kayla again, finger, and
Get a big thumbs up,
and we're gonna be doing demolition again.
please, or the bike is gonna or we're gonna come after you guys. That's what the other people say. Like a,
Okay, let's go.
like a killer clown. Like if you don't subscribe.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. All right, guys, I got stuck. So
Stuck again? I can't get it really on YouTube.
got ya,
Oh god.
got it.
Got it? You got it?
Oh,
I don't know if you guys saw that on camera. Holy crap, did you see that?
what?
I hit it and there were sparks. Legit.
Guys, like, watch. I can do sparks on my phone or on my not on my phone, my bike. Like,
Well,
what?
I mean, I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera. I hit you and it scared me so much. Cause there were sparks. I thought it was about to like catch on fire. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That scared me a little bit. I did not see sparks that time. But
Because when you crashed me, I pushed that brake thing.
you press the brake?
Yeah.
Huh.
The one that the knob, I pushed it, so that's why. Wait, where did you see sparks?
Earlier in the video when we were coming down, that way your pedal made sparks.
Oh, then no, I didn't do that.
I know, I came straight towards you too.
What if I did catch on fire? What would you do? What would you do if I did catch on fire?
Oh, we'll try to get something to put me out. I kind of just put my tire And
So guys, give a big thumbs up.
turned off again. The video turned off, so I have to go all over again.
Car.
Let's turn it. See? Turn it.
Oh. There.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm back and we were with Caleb. This is like
A thumbs big. Give a big thumbs up.
big thumbs. My phone's being a little jacked up since we just taped it to our bikes. So yeah, as you can see, hold on, let me try to get it on here. We have his phone taped on there too.
My phone didn't even go off yet.
Oh, dude, I didn't even see that. I didn't even see it because I was looking at the camera. I didn't even know where I went. Oh no! I deleted the one that had sparks on it.
What?
I deleted the one that we made the sparks on.
What?
Yeah, I did. To make more room on my phone for the video.
Dang it!
I'm so mad at myself. Hopefully we can make sparks again. Wait, hold on. You just want to stay there. Let's see if we can make it happen again. Okay, so I'll come down at
But don't actually hit my leg.
I hit your leg too.
Yeah.
How can your leg make sparks? I don't know. Okay, so it's coming up really fast. It went boom, and there were sparks. But obviously I didn't get it on camera.
Hey guys, can I show you something, guys? Watch this. Can I just show you them?
Yeah.
Stay like I want to hit that wheel.
The wheel?
So stay like this. Like stay like that.
Okay.
No, like go over there so I can go speed.
Well, you're have to come down the hill, so I mean, I'd rather you go up the hill so you can get more speed down.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I wish I had another camera I could use.
So guys, we're about to do an amazing thing. Are you guys ready?